What if I told you the reason time only moves forward and never backward is not just a mystery of life, but a deep law of the universe? Every moment you live, every second that passes, is following a hidden direction we call the arrow of time. But why does time flow in only one direction? Why can we remember the past, but never the future? To answer this, we need to dive into physics, entropy, and the very nature of our universe. The biggest clue comes from the second law of thermodynamics. This law states that the total disorder or entropy of a closed system always increases with time. Imagine dropping a glass on the floor, it shatters into pieces. That is entropy increasing. But have you ever seen shattered glass pieces come back together into a perfect glass? No, because that would mean entropy decreasing, and the laws of physics strongly resist that. This increase in entropy gives time its direction. The past is the low entropy state, more ordered and structured. The future is the high entropy state, more chaotic and disordered. Time moves forward because the universe naturally evolves from order to disorder. Einstein's theory of relativity adds another layer. According to relativity, time is not absolute. It is woven together with space, forming what we call space-time. Different observers can experience time differently depending on their speed and the strength of gravity around them. For example, near a black hole, gravity is so intense that time slows down dramatically compared to Earth. But here's the key point. Even though time may move at different speeds for different observers, it still always flows forward. You may experience it slower or faster, but never in reverse. Relativity confirms that the arrow of time is consistent, even across extreme conditions. Now, where does this arrow come from? Most scientists believe it started at the Big Bang, nearly 13.8 billion years ago. In that moment, the universe began in an extremely ordered, low-entropy state. From then on, entropy has been increasing, and that defines the forward flow of time. As for the future, if entropy keeps increasing, the universe may eventually reach a state called heat death, where everything is evenly spread out, with no usable energy left, and time as we know it may lose its meaning. So, the arrow of time is not just about clocks ticking forward. It is about the deep structure of reality itself, shaped by entropy, relativity, and the very birth of our cosmos.